One number. Have you seen birds? Yes, I have. What are they?
Number 2.
Number 2. What are they? They are rohen, parrot, sparrow, peacock, pigeon, owl, dove, eagle, and ducks. 3 number. What color is the crow? The crow is black. Number 4. What color is the
What color is the
What color is the parrot? The parrot is green. Number 5. What does the parrot eat? The parrot eats fruit
and
and
chili?
Number 6. Do birds fly? Yes, they fly. Number 7. How do birds fly? Birds fly with their wings. Number 8. Where do they fly? They fly in the sky. Number 9. What is our national bird? The peacock. The peacock is our national bird. ଆଉଟେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ
କିଛି ନୂଆ ପଢ଼ିବା।
କିଛି ନୂଆ ପଢ଼ିବା। ଟାଟା, ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ।